During this Mental Health Awareness Month, we're highlighting an organization that puts a focus on helping children in the foster care system.
And a Bills player has jumped on board. News 4's Kelsey Anderson explains.
On a recent Tuesday night, 9-year-old Anaya met her hero, a guy who's lived a similar life as her, Bills running back Ray Davis. Davis has been very open about his journey in foster care, homelessness, and the importance of mental well-being.
We got to understand it's okay to ask for help, it's okay to want help, and it's okay to apply that advice to be able to get where we want to go.
Davis says at first he was nervous to tell his story of bouncing around 5 different high schools, feeling very little love from the adults around him. But then it hit him. This is his purpose, to impact others sharing his experience, a purpose even higher than winning football games.
To be able to provide what I went through and provide a blueprint to try to help kids understand that it's okay to go through adversity, because there's always going to be a light at the end of the tunnel, but you got to make sure you got the right people around you.
And that purpose led him here to Anaya.
She's had quite the journey.
That's Anaya's adoptive mom, Catherine Wetzler. She started out as Anaya's aunt.
I met her when she was 7 months old. And a couple days after I met her, she was living in my home with Doug and I, and she became our foster child.
Over the course of 8 years, Wetzler and her husband, Doug, fought to get permanent custody of Anaya. It wasn't easy. The couple ran into one roadblock after another.
There was a lot of unfortunate situations along the way. During our second encounter with the family court system, I was coming out of court one day and I ran into Jody, and CASA got involved with our care.
Jody Johnson runs CASA, Court-Appointed Special Advocates. It's a group overseen by mental health advocates here in Western New York. Well-trained volunteers are assigned by family court judges to help the judges make better informed decisions about a child's safety and well-being. A judge has so many cases, CASA volunteers act as their eyes and ears, advocating for children.
They visit at least once a month. They do talk to the schools, they talk to pediatricians, they talk to therapists, they talk to the caregiver. And most importantly, we speak to the children and get to know them.
Which made a huge world of difference for us, because we finally felt like we had support that she needed. Like, it wasn't really about us, it was about her and the support she needed to kind of get through all these different transitions.
Wetzler says when Jody came into her life, she was at a breaking point.
I was feeling kind of defeated at that point by the system. I had to let Anaya go live in a rehab center with her mother. That was the first time. The second time, I had to let her go live at Cornerstone, which is part of the city mission downtown. So those were very, very challenging for us. What brought Anaya to our home finally was that her mother took her to New York City and left her in a homeless shelter in New York City. It took me a week to get her back here. When I felt like, do we give up at this point? Is this just going to be this pattern where we just keep having to send her back to these situations? And just getting involved with CASA, it helped Anaya a lot. It helped me work through a lot of my own feelings with all of this.
Anaya's life took a profoundly happy turn at the end of last year. The week before Christmas, a joyous December day marked the culmination of a long-awaited adoption by her beloved aunt and uncle.
She's got a lot of spirit about her, and I believe that now that our home is her permanent home, Anaya will thrive, and Anaya will have a good life, and Anaya will go to college, and she will be successful, and we will travel, and she will get to experience things that every child should have the opportunity to experience.
Part of that life experience includes becoming best friends, as Anaya says, with Ray Davis.
Many people are going to continue to be in her corner. Whether it's family or not family, I can tell everybody going to be an Anaya fan at the end of the day. And I'm one of her biggest fans too.
Kelsey Anderson, News 4.